So, the book that I want to talk to you about today is called Officer Buckle and Gloria by Peggy Rathman. And it's the story of a police officer who gets a helping hand from a dog named Gloria. And his job is to go to the schools and give a safety speech every year. And the problem is his normal safety speech is always rather boring. So when he brings Gloria along, he starts to get laughs, students sitting up at attention, watching his presentation, so much so that he starts to get calls from all over the area, even gets a TV crew to come out and look and videotape him and show it on the news. Well, much to his surprise, when he gets home that night to watch himself on TV, he finds out something very, very interesting about his newfound presentation and his partner. And that's where I will stop.